So we checked in our rooms here at the Hilton Doubletree, Cappadocia region. Avanos is a city. Kids are over here in this room, and Elise and I are just right across the hall. Rooms are identical. Obviously different sides of the hall, so they have different views. Bathroom, sink area, and where's this? Oh, it's back in there. Okay, there's the shower. We've got the closet on this side. That's a big closet. Could have made the room a little bigger. Stuff over here, TV, waters. Here's our bed. And it's kind of cool. They've got the couch over here in this area. Kind of lit up. They got stuff on the ceiling. I'm not sure why they have this extra bed in here. Maybe thought we were gonna have a third person. I don't know. And out the windows, we got that's looking out that window, and this toward the city that way. Tomorrow we're getting morning at 4 a.m. We're getting picked up here at the hotel to get taken for the hot air balloon ride.